A lot of things have changed recently. One being I'm outgrowing my office. So I had to get a shelf system very early in the process of that. I'm going to be working on better storing the things here. So I moved my bamboo printer up here. I'm having to rethink my filament hoop situation. This is what I was using. It won't fit right there. I got a box back here. That's the, of course, if you have kids, you probably have these little dummies in the house. But yeah, that's currently magnetized to the back of the bamboo printer. But you may see I have this riser here. Well, that's because I got another bamboo printer. So I got that guy today. And I'm going to be putting this guy right here, this shelf. When I first got it, I wasn't very confident that it was very stable. But honestly, with these foam pads and these guys sitting on the table, there's really very minimal vibration. So I'm happy about that. So I don't think this video is going to be under a minute long. So let me go ahead and tell you the changes that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be changing this printer to be kind of a single filament printer. Mainly doing my dragons and some TPU and things like that. And I'd like to get it closer to the wall. I'm going to have to remove that and come up with a better solution. But I made this right here. This is kind of going to bolt on to the back of the printer. The filament arm is going to go here, and it's going to feed through there. That'll be for this printer, my single extruder, or my single filament printer. This guy is going to be my new multiple filament printer. I have an AMS hub on the way to also benefit that. But yeah, let's get this guy in place and see how it looks. All right, and there they are. So I still need to do some work on this. I need to do something about my filament, maybe do some cleanup here and there. But yeah, this is looking really good. I'm really excited to be able to push out more prints for everyone and prints for myself as well. But the only thing I have left to do is when my AMS hub gets in, I want to hook the AMS hub to this one and have this going to this guy. But yep, that's my printers. Everything's looking good. That's my update. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.